From the 2013 International CES in Las Vegas, this is another Into Tomorrow ITTV special report.
Our next guest has a very unique wireless router, which features a touch screen and does some pretty cool things for you. The founder and CEO of Securify, as you hear people screaming in the background on the show floor, is Ram Malanasi. Ram, welcome Into Tomorrow. How are you?
Well, thank you for having me here.
It's a pleasure to have you. You have something different, and we thought, we got to show this. We've got to let our audience on the radio hear about it. And when folks come to intotomorrow.com, you'll see these interviews, and you'll be able to see what Ram is showing. So tell me, first of all, about Securify. What is it that you specialize in? And then we'll get into the specific products.
Sure. We make wireless routers. And last year, we announced the world's first Wi-Fi router at CES. And that product is now available on Amazon for the past 4 or 5 months, and it's actually the best rated router on Amazon. There are approximately 750 routers on Amazon.
Yeah, there's every manufacturer on the planet is selling routers, it seems.
Right, and yeah, this beat all of them in a very short span because it's very easy to use. You don't need a PC or a CD or a Mac to set it up. So you can do all the setup on the touchscreen, change passwords, So
very cool. On the touchscreen, on the router itself.
On the router
that
itself,
makes it more
that's
fun.
right.
Now, does that make it more expensive considerably?
Yeah, it does make it a little bit more expensive. So that product goes for about $79 on Amazon.
Oh, okay. That's still very affordable for what it does.
Right, exactly. And you go to Best Buy and Fry's, they'll sell you a $50 or $60 router installation service. So,
yeah, that's true.
Right.
So you can do it yourself, and it's easy to do on its own touchscreen.
Right.
All right, so let's take a peek at the router itself, and then you're going to demo how it can perform some other functions, right?
Sure. So that was the product from last year.
Right.
And this is the new product that we just announced.
Okay, here at CES.
2 days ago.
All right.
And this is called Almond Plus. Our last year product was called Almond.
Oh, almond, as in the nut.
As in the nut.
An almond.
Right,
Okay, so
right.
almond, and this is Almond Plus. And when you see the video, you'll see what we're talking about here. This is a very unique thing, apparently in different colors as well, because this one's reddish orange.
Right. So this one is a much faster router than what Almond is. It supports gigabit Wi-Fi, which is the latest standard that just came out last year.
Yeah, and you want to be on it.
Yeah, 802.11ac, and it has a gigabit Ethernet port.
So let me just turn it around for the folks viewing to see what's happening here. Of course, you have your standard AC plug, which you need, but there's a whole bunch of other Cat 5, Cat 6 connectors.
Gigabit
USB.
Ethernet connectors and USB. And the unique thing about this design is it can be either you can table mounted or wall mounted.
Okay.
And these are the wall mount holes.
And the cables can be all recessed in the wall, so you're not seeing any of those ugly cables.
Exactly. So surprisingly, we're the first ones to do this.
Wow. And you're right, surprisingly, because everywhere else we're seeing all the ugly wires sticking in and out of these things, and who needs to see that? I guess they figure most people will just sort of stash it in the back room somewhere or in a closet, so it doesn't matter. But why not have a router, if you have touchscreen capability, as you do here, that can be seen and easily just walk up to it and make a change if you need to?
Sure.
All right. So and let me show the folks, the other version, of course, would be the
This is
desktop.
actually an older version.
Okay.
So this got the stand,
It just shows you how you can easily just put it as a desktop as well, same kinds of connectors and that sort of thing.
Exactly.
All right, so tell me how, and fortunately it takes some abuse as I just knocked it over. But we have home control as well built into this router.
Right, so this is not just your ordinary router. It has a very powerful home automation software built into it. Zigbee and Z-Wave are two of the most popular home automation standards now. And we've integrated both of them into this. So you can buy any compatible accessories and devices, thermostats, door sensors, and switches, motion detectors, all kinds of sensors.
So I'm seeing all kinds of things here, like lighting control, and device, and of course rules and search for things, and all sorts of functionality, and including thermostat control. So if I simply tap that, now I've got the ability to change the temperature. And whoops, my hand was in the right. Sorry, Chris. I'm pushing buttons and blocking the screen.
Right now, actually, this is the current temperature, so that's 73,
Okay,
73.
let me just show you, like, for example, on the thermostat showing 73, and we're going to show how you easily change.
So this is the target temperature. Right now it's 73.
Right.
So we're going to change that to 50, okay?
Okay,
And it's
good.
going to
I like it
change
cool.
on this one also from 73 to 50.
Okay.
I think somewhere over in
Oh,
the corner.
yeah, I'm seeing it down in the corner there.
Yep,
There
yep.
we go. When
So-
my finger's out of the way, it's showing 50, so it's working its way towards
Right.
50 now. Yeah.
And the other interesting thing is, so of course both your router and the thermostat are in your home, but we have a smartphone application and which connects to the router through the internet.
Yeah.
And even if you're not at home, you can do what you've just seen now from away from home.
Good. So
let's say
adjust the temperature before you get home so you're comfortable.
exactly.
Excellent.
And you can do a lot of other things such as monitor if someone's opening the doors, things like that as well.
Love it. Now, is this available now?
No, we're launching this on Kickstarter very soon for $99, starting at $99.
Very affordable for all that extra functionality. I love it.
Yeah, if you put together a similar system today, it would cost over $500.
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. For all that
With
it
all-
does,
with
'cause
all
with the
it can do.
built-in home automation and all that, you've got to check them out, and you'll see what Ram and his team are up to. Securify.com. It's Securifi. Securify.com. And of course, we'll link you there. Visit us at intotomorrow.com, and you'll see the video interview as well as the link to Ram's site and all of our guests here at CES. Thanks for spending a few minutes with us. Cool product, and let us know as it's available. We'll be sure and share that info with our audience as well.
Thank you, Dave. Thank
My
you for
pleasure.
that.
We're back with more from Las Vegas. This is Into Tomorrow on the Advanced Media Network.